Welcome back to the channel. We're going to be creating an accent wall with cardboard box strips. I cut a total of 15 and 2 inches. Also, I'm going to cut a few of them in half. That way I have different lengths. I'm going to cover it with my adhesive. And I'm going to be placing them on the wall with my nails. I have some long thumbtacks in here that I'm going to be using. You can use any color you like, but they do need to be long. I did place these up 2 inches apart, and thanks for watching.